Welcome to another Qazzoo tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about how to search for leads in your local area. First things first, plug in the zip code, city, county, or state in the search bar, and then hit the search button. This is going to pull up all the available leads in your local market. Now, based upon the information that the lead fills out, you're going to be able to select the clients you want to work with. So they're going to fill out their past credit history, annual household income, funds available to put down, when they're looking to make the move, their purchase price, and whether if they currently rent or own. Based upon that information, you decide if this sounds like a client you want to service. If not, you just pass on by. Once you're ready to select the client, all you have to do is hit the Unlock Contact Information button, and then that will give you the information such as their full name, email address, as well as phone number. Well, that's it for today. If you guys have any questions, please let us know.